we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The corrosion buildup between the battery terminal and the battery cable can cause a no-start condition the same way a loose battery connection can. This is a simple, and often overlooked, cause of no crank, no start problems. So make sure your battery cables are clean and tight.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.